You already know the dative marks the person you give something to. Today does a quieter job. When an adjective points at someone, friendly to them, hostile to them, near to them, that target goes in the dative.
Gallicopis Romanis inimicerant.
The Gauls were hostile to the Roman forces. First new vocabulary, 2 nouns.
Disciplina.
Training, culture, discipline. It gives us the word discipline.
Ornamentum.
An ornament or a jewel, you hear the word ornament in it. And 2 Roman first names you will meet in today's reading.
Gaius.
Gaius, a Roman first name.
Tiberius.
Tiberius, another Roman first name. Both belong to one famous family. 1 new verb, 1 new adverb, and 1 new adjective.
Doceo.
To teach, it gives us doctrine and doctor.
Maxime.
Most of all, especially, think of the word maximum.
Antiquus.
Old, ancient. You recognize the word antique. Keep these ready. The reading at the end uses every one of them. Before the new rule, a quick review, because this lesson leans on it. You now know 3 tenses of the verb, both for the verb to be and for the regular verbs. The present, happening now.
Amo.
I love. The imperfect, ongoing or repeated in the past.
Amabami.
I was loving. And the future, still to come.
Amabo.
I shall love. Say all 3 aloud until each ending is automatic. Now the rule. You have seen the dative express the indirect object, the person you give or tell something to. The dative also works with adjectives. It names the object toward which the adjective's quality is directed. When something is pleasing, it is pleasing to someone. That someone stands in the dative.
Gratus.
Pleasing, agreeable to.
Cibus armatis firis gratus.
Food pleasing to armed men. The dative names exactly whom the food pleases. Which adjectives take this dative, especially those meaning near, fit, friendly, pleasing, and like, together with their opposites? Memorize these 7. 5 are new.
Idoneus.
Fit, suitable for.
Amicus.
Friendly to.
Inimicus.
Hostile to, the very opposite of the one before it.
Gratus.
Pleasing to.
Proximus.
Nearest, next to, and 2 you already know return to the list.
Molestus.
Annoying to.
Finitimus.
Neighboring to. Every one of them looks for a dative. Let's build one and watch the case at work. The fields of the Germans bordered on the river Rhine. Start with the subject.
Agri Germanorum.
The fields of the Germans. Now the river they border, and it goes in the dative because the adjective points at it.
Fluvio Reno.
To the river Rhine. Then the adjective and the verb.
Finitimi erant.
Were neighboring together.
Agri Germanorum fluvio Reno finitimi erant.
Your turn, translate these 2 sentences. Find the adjective, then its dative.
Romani terramidoniam agricultur habent. Romani ad silvam oppido proximam castra movebant.
The first, the Romans have land suitable for farming. Here, suitable points to a dative, for the cultivation of the field. The second, the Romans were moving their camp to the forest nearest the town. Nearest points to its dative, the town. Now the other direction. Put these into Latin. Remember the dative after the adjective. Diana will destroy those hostile to Latona. The sacrifices will be annoying to the haughty queen.
Diana inimicos Latone delebit. Sacra superbe regin molesta erunt.
Finally, the reading. Cornelia and her jewels. Cornelia was a real Roman mother, daughter of the great Africanus, and her sons Tiberius and Caius Gracchus became famous statesmen. Notice how every verb sits in the imperfect, painting an ongoing scene. She kept caring for them, kept teaching them, kept loving good training.
Apud antiquas dominas, Cornelia, Africani filia, erat maxime clara. Filii eius erant Tiberius Gracchus et Gaius Gracchus. Ei puericum Cornelia in oppido Roma, claro Italie oppido, habitabant. Ibi eos curabat Cornelia, et ibi magno cum studio eos docebat. Bona femina erat Cornelia, et bonam disciplinam maxime amabat.
So 1 rule and 7 adjectives. When an adjective means near, fit, friendly, pleasing, or their opposites, the thing it points at goes in the dative. You added 12 new words, brought back 2 old adjectives, and reviewed the present, imperfect, and the future. Next lesson, the third and the fourth conjugations, and more of the dative at work. To practice what you just learned, this course has free exercises and AI graded feedback on ludium.ai. The link is in the description.